And God saw everything that he had made, and behold, it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. Every moving thing that lives shall be food for you, and as I gave you the green plants, I give you everything. He has promised and executed this, but what have we given back? We have been so good at turning things into what we want and never think twice over what we don't. So, what can we, young scholars, do with our knowledge? Through architecture, the study and creation of built spaces for human, accommodating humans' needs. From work, study, living, up to leisure. From birth to death, we are human, bound into the offspring of builders, architects' fruition of thought. You shall not pollute the land in which you live, for blood pollutes the land, and no atonement can be made for the land for the blood that is shed in it. We have seen so much of what horrible waste human can do. We've seen our own imagination of tomorrow by movies, books, utopias, and much more about how our earth is dying sooner or later. Then the angel showed me the river of the water of life, bright as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and of the Lamb through the middle of the street of the city. Also, on either side of the river, the tree of life with its 12 kinds of fruits, yielding its fruit each month. The leaves of tree were for the healing of the nations. We were given a life on earth, a Pandora, full of potential, ability, and excitement, in which we'll always give and fulfill our needs. But in return, we have vexed them. Human has proved their ability to ruin the environment, yet at the same time, it has proven that with the proper ideation, positive encouragement, and devotion of heart for humanity and God, we can nurture and live among the stable of Mother Earth. God has given us the gift of superior brain, a built-in machine, whereas we can all set in, capable of creating a creature of wreck in this reality in which sense and sensibility lack. With that same mind, we can very much create a masterpiece of which will be living in harmony with nature, our land, our Mother Earth, the one that God trusted us to take care of. A land that the Lord your God cares for. The eyes of the Lord your God are always upon it, from the beginning of the year to the end.